Jamaicans love to have their pickle. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you all, wherever in the world you are viewing me from. Today we are going to be doing some pickled pepper. So I have pepper here, and most times when I have these peppers, it usually goes to waste because I don't use a lot of pepper. So I have this pepper, and I decided that I'm going to be putting it in some vinegar with some other vegetables that I have and seasoning. So we are going to be using celery, carrot, bell pepper, and I'm using 2 to get the color, of course. And then we have our onion, pimento, I have some cloves, and also I have ginger. So in a pot on the stove, I have a cup and a half of vinegar with a piece of ginger and a few of these berries. So I've heated it. I didn't let it boil. I've heated it, and it's now covered, waiting to be used. So I'm going to go ahead now and prepare. I'm going to prepare my ingredients. Cutting my carrot. The bottle I have is not so big, and so I'm not sure how much I will be making here. So I'm just getting some. Cut my carrot. If I put the pepper in pickled, then I will have it to last me for a while. I'm just going to be using half of this. Because container is small. And I think I'm gonna have to cut it also. No, well, maybe I can put it in the bottom. So everything was already prepared. They were washed. My hands were washed also. So everything was ready for the camera. Looking good. I'll be using this one. So this is basically it. Some people, I put a little salt in the vinegar. Some people put a little sugar. I will not be putting any sugar in it, because it's not everything I cook with I need any sugar. Okay? So this is my veggie and my seasoning to do my pickle. I love the look. There it is. Well, now for the pepper. I will have a little problem with this. I've already washed these. I don't like to handle pepper. I don't have any gloves. I'm just gonna be using. I bought these pepper. I don't even know the name or actually remember. I understand it is very, very hot. I don't think so. I used it yesterday and I didn't really get that effect. So I'm just gonna be giving one cutting each. I'm not gonna be cutting it up because it burns. There it is. I should maybe cut this stem off. Jamaicans love to have their pickle. So years ago, this was the order of the day. Anywhere you go, you will see this on table. That's when I was young. I'm gonna be storing it in the fridge, so I keep it long. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. And this is the bottle that I have. It's not very big. I'm gonna have to leave some until I get another container. So I just mix the colors as I go along. And then I'm going to be pouring the vinegar in. Leave it to cool, cover it, and put it in the refrigerator. This smells so good. So this is my ginger. There it is. There you have it. Real Jamaican pickled pepper. Real Jamaican pickled pepper. There you go. On the inside. There it is. My pickled pepper. Thanks for watching.